and welcome to another Bossy Brushstrokes YouTube video. If you've been wondering how I've been achieving this look on my Instagram lately by lettering quotes on top of stock photos, all I've done is added in one extra step to make my lettering pop. If you want to learn more about what I do, keep on watching. Okay, so let's jump right into the tutorial. First, I'm going to get out of Procreate and head over to Safari. I already have Unsplash pulled up, which is a website where you can get photos that artists give for you to use for free. You don't have to purchase to use them, and it's great if you can give them credit, but it's not required. You should definitely check it out if you haven't. It makes lettering a lot easier, and I just searched the word sky, and this pulled these up. I'm going to go with this first photo, which was posted by Kyle Glenn. His username is @KyleJGlenn. All you have to do is hit the download for free button. You hold it down. You can either save it or copy it. Since I'm just heading right into the Procreate app, I'm going to copy it. Head right on into Procreate. Hit the little wrench up here and hit paste. Now you can resize it so it fits on your canvas nicely. And there you have it. You have already put that photo in there quickly and easily. Now, another way to do that is if you save it, you can insert a photo or insert a file. You know, if you've got a photo that you'd like to use, or if you head back to the gallery, there's another top part where you can import a photo or a file directly, and then you don't have to resize the canvas. But this has just been my favorite method. So we're gonna add a layer on top, and I'm gonna use my Bossy Rough Brush. I'm going to change my brush color to white, and let's see, we can just write sunset. Let's move that in a little more centered. Okay, now this looks great, don't get me wrong, but I've just been adding a little extra touch into my lettering lately when I letter on top of stock photos, and I feel like it's really been making a difference, and I've been loving the way it looks. What I do is I come in and I duplicate the layer. I then select the bottom layer and fill it with black. While I still have that layer highlighted in blue, it's not selected or anything, it's just clicked on, I'd come over here. Again, that Gaussian blur, it's your best friend on Procreate. And I just turn up the Gaussian blur a bit. Right now I've got it on 18.2, but again, it totally depends on the photo and kind of the look you're going for. Now, I'm not sure if you guys could tell a difference from this angle, but let me zoom in to show you what that does. So it's obviously, you can't see it when you've got this black, but look right here where you've got the contrast against the sky and you've just got this slight black blur around your lettering. And it really helps it stand out in the background and just pop just a little bit, I think, and it's been great. It's definitely been a new technique I've been trying out, and it's the same method as doing a shadow, except I'm just not offsetting it. I'm just having it in the same place as the lettering just to give it that little layer in between. So again, I'm just gonna zoom in. Right here is a lot of light color. And I'll deselect the layer so that you guys can kind of see the difference and what it just adds to your photo. And I think it really does add a lot to the composition and makes it look very professional and pretty in my opinion. And again, I've just been loving posting things like this on my Instagram lately and doing entire quotes. And you can do this with any brush. I've just really been loving my rough brush for this. So if you try it out, definitely tag me and let me know in the comments below. Follow me on Instagram if you haven't to check out more pieces kind of similar to this. And I hope that you guys are having a great day, and I hope you have a great week, and I'll see you in the next video. So stay bossy, y'all.